4.897/5.000. 3 years after its debut at the Spa-Francorchamps 24 hours in 2022, Ferrari has chosen the same race, the most important on the GT calendar, to present the new 296 GT3 Evo. The Ferrari 296 GT3 Evo is the result of experience gained in 2 seasons of racing with the 296 GT3 and 296 LM GT3 versions competing in the World Endurance Championship. Improved aerodynamic precision, wider installation window, optimized reliability and drivability. An upgrade kit is planned for existing 296 GT3 owners. The race is scheduled to be held for the first time in the 2026 season. The car is based on the experience gained with the 296 LM GT3, which will compete in the FIA WEC from the 2024 season, and the 296 GT3, which has won 5 championships since its debut, including the Drivers' and Teams' Championships in the Pro Class of the GT World Challenge Endurance Cup. Feedback from customers and racing experience led to the development of the 296 GT3 Evo, the result of targeted and concrete actions aimed at creating a more competitive car in all conditions. Meanwhile, the concept of modularity, which has made the 296 GT3 a real benchmark, particularly in terms of ease of maintenance and installation, has been retained. Engine and transmission. The V6 combustion engine of the 296 GT3 Evo remains unchanged from the previous version. It retains the 120° V configuration, with the turbochargers positioned inside the V, which offers significant advantages in terms of compactness and weight reduction, helping to achieve extremely high power levels. The versatile, reliable and high-performance engine has been consistently praised for its power delivery and torque since its launch. As for the transmission, the 296 GT3 Evo features a new gear ratio range, optimized by analyzing data collected during the vehicle's 2-year lifespan, which supports torque delivery at both low and high speeds. Aerodynamics. The 296 GT3 Evo represents the next step in the evolution of the 296 GT3, a winning platform that combines extreme aerodynamic performance on track and ease of load handling. The goal set by Ferrari engineers was to provide a more predictable and consistent response from the car in all race situations, while at the same time maintaining the performance of the standard 296 GT3 in terms of vertical load and efficiency. This performance was increased to the maximum level permitted by the technical regulations. In terms of engineering, the aerodynamic team focused on improving the front vertical load stability and aerodynamic sensitivity, i.e. minimizing aerodynamic load variations, when the 296 GT3 Evo is in the airflow of another vehicle. Almost the entire body has evolved. The splitter and front floor profiles have been revised and the expansion volumes and vortex generators have been optimized. The front bumper extensions have also been modified to find the best performance compromise. Another important improvement emerged after a detailed and careful examination of the rear diffuser, which has undergone changes in terms of expansion volumes and number of channels. The third element developed was the front wheel arch louvers. These louvers were developed in synergy with the front underbody to ensure that fresh air from both free air and other vehicle airflow enters the rear air intakes. For the development of the 296 GT3 Evo, the simulation methodology combining wind tunnel testing with CFD, computational fluid dynamics, calculations was further refined, allowing the simulation of disturbed aerodynamic fields and the rapid testing of many geometric variations. The performance of the development package was then validated on track, both in performance laps and in conditions involving other cars. The result of the research is summed up in the ability of the car to maintain its high aerodynamic performance in traffic and disturbed air, which is so common in endurance racing, and to stabilize the vertical load on the airflow, to the benefit of competition and precision even in the most dynamic and unpredictable contexts. Debut and kit. The 296 GT3 Evo, whose homologation process will be completed once the final aerodynamic improvements have been completed, will make its debut in the 2026 season and will also be available as an upgrade kit for those racing the 296 GT3.